Hi Pre-K4, Incarnation Pre-K4 classes. This is Miss Margaret, and we're going to work on our math journal prompt for the week of April 27th through May 1st, changes in and around me. And it's so cool because this week we're going to do a lot of things with shapes. And that's neat because shapes are part of a big math subject or math area called geometry. And when you get older, you'll hear geometry a lot. Ask your moms and dads and big sisters and brothers about it. But geometry is the study of shapes. And so we have some shapes here that we use in the classroom all the time. I love to just put these shapes out on the table and you all can make really cool designs. Our first shape is 6 sides hexagon. Good for you. And the 1 underneath there means that we're going to use 1. And in your packet that you received from Miss Micah, you should have pages with these shapes on them. And so you'll be able to cut them out, and then after that you can make designs with them if you want. But go ahead and you have 1 hexagon. Okay, what is this next shape, the orange one? It has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides and 1, 2, 3, 4 corners, and all of the sides are equal. They're the same in length. A square, you're right. And it says 3. So we need 3 squares for this project, for this math problem we're doing. And what is this blue one? Well, it's got 4 sides and it's got 4 corners. Is it a square? No, of course not. It is some of you might say diamond, that's okay, but remember our fancy word for that, rhombus. That's a rhombus, and I need 2. 1, 2. The last one is a triangle, that's right. Tri means 3. So 1, 2, 3. 3 sides, 3 corners. That makes a triangle, and you need 1. So I decided, now this says create a shape with these pattern blocks. So you're going to make a shape. You're going to make some kind of where these are all touching each other. So you could draw around the outside if you wanted to. So I'm going to start with the middle, and I'm going to put my hexagon right here. And since I have these 3 squares, I'm going to put them 1 up against this side of the hexagon and 1 up against this side of the hexagon and 1 up against this side. Now you can make your shape any way you want it. You do not have to do exactly what I'm doing. Then I thought that I would put the triangle on top. Well, it looks kind of funny, doesn't it? Looks like a face starting with a hat. And then for my rhombuses, I'm just going to put these on either side out. Whoops, excuse me. This way. Let me fix that one just a second. I'm trying to do this with tape so it would be easier for me to show you. And let's see. Okay, so that's my shape. Maybe I could call it a rocket ship. Maybe I could call it the beginning of a clown face. But what I do know is if I drew around the outside of this, I would have a shape. And let me see. Okay, so I want you to make a shape out of your 1 hexagon, 3 squares, 2 rhombuses, and 1 triangle. Send me pictures. I'd love to see them. Have fun. See you next week. Bye.